Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to turn on mono audio now so both channels play the same sound. First, confirm your Android version supports accessibility audio controls and grant any requested permissions. Next, open Settings and go directly to Accessibility. Find the Hearing or Audio section. Once there, tap Audio or Mono Audio and flip the toggle on. Make sure to play a quick sample clip to verify both ears receive identical audio. This avoids hidden left-right panning problems later. Once mono is enabled, fine-tune the balance so levels match in both ears. You may see a balance slider in Accessibility. Slide it to center to correct channel imbalance. If your OEM hides controls, enable developer options and check audio output tweaks there. For more complex routing, like forcing mono over Bluetooth, use a reputable audio utility app that supports forcing mono or channel mixing. Make sure any app is from a trusted source, and that you test with different media types to confirm consistent behavior. You're nearly done. Now verify mono applies across apps. Play music, a podcast, and make a call to confirm the same audio in each ear. Restart your phone and repair any Bluetooth devices to ensure the setting persists. If you still hear stereo separation, reset any equalizer or per-app audio settings. Consider booting to safe mode to rule out third-party interference. If problems continue, clear system audio cache or restore accessibility settings. This typically resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.